lifestyle. I just want to ask, hi Jen. Ayan. Jen, Derek, when did this project come about? When was it like offered to you? And when would yung story ba pinitch na sa inyo? Okay.
It was offered to me a while back, actually. Early this year, no? Attorney John?
Yeah.
Early this year. And Attorney John is like my mom, so I said, yes, right away.
Walang isip yun.
And
No, I've never done rom-com, so I was like, hey, this is a good way to test my versatility as an actor. Plus, I need to trust the person who's gonna produce it.
And you've already known like Jen was gonna be her partner.
Later on, I found out, yes, that Jen was going to be my partner.
So,
Please.
and yeah, maybe you can do that. What was your reaction when you found out that Jen is going to be your partner?
Huwag ka magsinungaling.
Vlog-vlogan ba to? Like I said, I was pleased.
Yun lang? Gaano ka please?
Wala ka ng donuts. No, I was very happy. Sabi ko, good choice. For me. No, I was mentioned earlier that she really caught my attention in Rosario. Ang dami kong close-up doon na parang...
Hindi kaya ako masyadong maganda na.
Nature na.
Baka one line ng kilay ko, ano ba?
Sobrang ganda mo kaya. No, walang tigil nga kay MVP. I kept telling MVP, grabe, she's so pretty.
Ay! Talaga nga. Impossible pa.
Pero in person, iba pala. In person.
Hindi pala ganun kaganda sa personal.
So, I was very excited to get to work with her, not just because she's very good looking. She's somebody I haven't worked with, so it's always exciting for me to work with people that I haven't worked with.
And how about you, Jen?
Jen?
Sorry pa.
When this project was offered to you, and
She fainted when she found out.
Oo, grabe. Hindi ako nakatulog. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa ako natulog. Hindi, syempre, hindi kasi una ko nalaman to kay Tita Becky, manager ko. Very close ako kay attorney. Parang adopted na rin niya na ako, adopted. Sabi ko nung una, sabi ko ba, sige, patingin ng script. Sabi ko, gusto ko niyan kasi hindi pa ako nakakagawa niyan ever. Sabi ko, 10 years na ako sinasabunutan, umiiyak. Ganun sinasampal sa mga eksena kasi puro drama lang. So sabi ko, aba, exciting to. Interesting, sige.
and when Derek was actually mentioned to you,
Yun na, medyo pinag-isipan ko kasi... Hindi,
what was like Derek like to you before you actually worked with him?
Hindi, feeling ko lang masungit. Kasi parang sobrang straight.
Why does everybody say that?
Oo,
Always smiling.
Intimidating. Pero, sa totoong buhay pala, sobrang friendly niya. Sobrang bait. Na napakabait talaga, napakabait.
Patient.
Na napaka-patient.
Pero pag
Teka lang,
mabait
moment
ka,
na to eh.
mabait ka, pero inaabuso yung pagkabait.
Moment na to, sandali. Hindi, alam mo grabe, wag po kayong maniniwala dito.
Ikaw ba tinutubay ko?
Sino ba?
Bakit ka guilty?
Si ano pala, si Kai. Alam mo, ginugulo mo yung moment ko. Si Derek kasi, siya eh, masayahin yan. Makulit. Talaga pupunta yan sa dressing room ko, makukulit lang. Tapos, mag-fail siya sa others.
Always.
Hindi kasi,
At least nag-effort, diba?
oo, dahil grabe yan, ang bait, tsaka malambing, napakalambing yan sa set, lalo na kapag alam niya na pagod ako, galing ako sa taping, tutuhog ako ng shooting.
Paano siya lumalambing?
Malambing, basta
Parang
sabi
nagkakantukan.
Kaya sabi na, ikaw naman,
Curious ako.
ano?
curious ako direct, ano nangyari dun sa pustahan niyo?
Oh my God!
Pustahan.
Ano gusto?
Kwento sa akin, anong pustahan? Ano yun? Hindi ko pala dapat nasabihin mo, sorry. Sige, sorry.
Walang pustahan.
Off the record, sorry. Weird moment.
Ano nga ba nangyari?
Napipig ko na si Jen.